This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome to Special Report. I'm David Denault. Well, it wasn't all that long ago when the U.S. announced it had stealth technology. But have we also been able to develop an anti-gravity craft? Next, as America and the world is listening to Special Report on About Space Today. D&D Cruise and Tours is the official agent for About Space, and we invite you to come fly away to all-inclusive resort island destinations, or a cruise vacation from Port Canaveral, and even visit the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, or just come and see the parks. Call for a discount cruise or an island getaway or the Florida beaches. Call today. The call is free, and so are our services. Call 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. We are Florida's group travel specialists. Welcome back. Anti-gravity flying crafts? Well, our story gets a whole lot stranger when discussing the long-standing claims of the TR-3B. The 3R-3B is supposedly powered by a reverse-engineered anti-gravity drive that was recovered from a crashed alien spacecraft. The TR-3B is where reports of UAPs performing seemingly impossible aerial maneuvers intersect with stories about very real aircraft.
According to experts, the TR-3B Black Manta would use conventional thrusters located on the tips of the aircraft that would allow it to perform a dizzily number of rapid high-speed maneuvers, including perfect right-angle turns and hyper-acceleration. It could even achieve this along all three axes as well. Remember, the TR-3B was designed to be a subsonic stealth spy plane. For one thing, it's a very silent aircraft. An interesting byproduct of the plasma the TR-3B generates is that it significantly reduces the aircraft's radar signature, thereby making it ideal for missions in which stealth is paramount. This means that the TR-3B Black Manta could sneak into just about any airspace of any country and not be detected by its air traffic control. The TR-3B Black Manta could certainly be the type of Black Ops project typical of the US Air Force and Navy. The U-2 spy plane of the 1950s, the SR-71 jet of the 1980s, and the present-day F-117A stealth craft are just three examples of planes that the US Air Force denied existed for years, all of which were first covertly developed in Nevada's infamous Area 51 base.
And Area 51 is where reverse engineering of alien spacecraft took place. But what is anti-gravity?
What is meant by anti-gravity? In the case of the TR-3B Black Manta, it means a craft that uses highly pressurized mercury accelerated by nuclear energy, so the plasma is produced, which in turn creates a field of anti-gravity around the craft. It has an electromagnetic coil at the heart of its motive power system, the result of which is electromagnetic drive that interacts with the Higgs-Boson field at the quantum level. Heady stuff indeed, and definitely something that is probably not common knowledge. So an anti-gravity aircraft doesn't use conventional turbine or rocket engine technology, but instead a propulsion system that creates thrust by generating high-energy plasma. These aircraft are also referred to as flux liners.
And as I said earlier, our story gets even a lot more stranger, with a patent being filed on alien technology.
But what if I told you that someone had taken out a patent on this aircraft design? That's right, officially in writing. We now turn to the series of patents issued by the United States Patent Office, or USPO, to the United States Navy, collectively known as the US Anti-Gravity Patents. These were patents given to the Navy for what looked like a triangle-shaped aircraft akin to a UFO alien craft of lore. The alleged inventor of the patents is an elusive man known as Salvador Cesar Paz, an American aerospace engineer and inventor who now works for the US Air Force. One of the patents that he ended up lodging for the US Navy was issued on December 4th, 2018, and was titled Craft Using an Inertia Mass Reduction Device. The patent essentially describes an anti-gravity aircraft, and its diagrams as attached clearly show a sharp-looking, triangle-shaped craft looks uncannily like the archetypical UFO. There are of course the inevitable allegations that the TR-3B was built by the military using extraterrestrial reverse engineer technology. Even Forbes magazine mused in 2021 that maybe, just maybe, the patents issued to Salvador Cesar Paz could be a cover for alien technology captured over the years by the US military.
So, what do you think? Have we reverse engineered alien technology? The truth is out there. Thanks for joining me from your home or where you work. I'm David Denault, and this has been Special Report on About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.